Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll do insurance price prediction with linear regression. Uh, so we'll start by importing the CSV file, and then move on. Import pandas PD. Then we'll just copy the path, and then data equal to pd dot csv underscore read underscore csv, and that's the path. We'll check the top 5 lines. So data dot. Yeah. So we can see what type of data do we have in our file. So to learn more about the data, we'll do data dot shape data dot info. So we get what type of columns and what type of data those columns have. Um, Then we'll check if there are any null values. So data dot is null. Mm, so I don't think there are any. We'll just do some of it. So data dot is null dot some. Uh, some this. Oh, okay. I forgot the brackets. This should work. Yeah. So there are no null values. We'll just check the data types once again. Data dot data type. Oh, sorry. It should be D types. Sorry. And yeah, so we get the types of data we have. Now we'll process the data. So we'll convert them to category type to use for building the model. So what we'll do is data sex equal to data sex dot as type, and I can just put this as category. So I'll just copy this. Uh, Smoker. This should work. Yeah. Now we'll do. Mhm. Okay. So you can see we have changed object type to category type. Now again data dot describe, and should see. Okay. So since I have removed, like, data dot describe doesn't show category type, so that's that. And now smoke data equal to data dot group by smoker dot will mean it. We'll take the mean and then we'll round it off to say 2 digits, and then I can do smoke underscore data to see the value. I mean the values. Yeah. So we see. So we can see if he is a smoker or not, and what are the mean age, BMIs, and yeah. Okay, import, we'll now use cbound as a sns dot set underscore style white card. I should be grid. Okay. Now what we can do is sns dot pair plot data age bmi uh, charges. Okay, I just forgot this. Huh. And one should be smoker. Mm-hmm. Uh, this should work, I guess. No, we'll have to put. Okay, this is. This does it. This should generate the pair plot. We'll just see if it happens properly. Then we'll move on to plot heat map to get the relation. Yeah, so we get the pair plotting. Okay, so now we'll plot the heat map. Data dot quotient comma annotation. Yeah. Yeah, so we can see it has plotted the heat map for us with the correlations between the variables. Uh, okay, so some categorical variables have subcategories such as sex and smoker. So we will have to convert these variables into a form that scikit-learn library can understand. So what we'll do is data dot columns. So we get the columns names, yeah. And what I'll do is data equal to pd dot get underscore dummies. So these are some dummy columns. That's it. Okay. So what I'll do now, we'll create input and output variables. So y is equal to, so we want what charges will be incurred, right? So y is equal to charges, and we'll do input as x is equal to data dot drop charges, comma, about axis, so x is equal to 1. And now we'll split the data into data set, training and testing. So from sklearn dot model underscore selection import train test split x underscore train comma x underscore test comma y underscore train comma y underscore test is equal to train test split and x comma. So I'll put training size to be say 80% and I'll do it at a random state one. Now we'll import linear regression from site from skleton. So now import linear regression. Oh, did I? Sorry. This should be, I guess, a linear model. Yeah, this should work, I guess. Yeah, this is it, and I'll do LR equal to, I'll set this to linear regression. I'll do fitting the data x underscore train comma y underscore fit. Yeah, this has worked, and now we'll evaluate the model. So we'll check the score. LR dot x underscore test comma underscore test. I'll probably round the data to third decimal. So my accuracy is 0.762. And let's see again. Yeah, no need. So now let's take a look at another metric. So mean squared error. So y underscore prediction is equal to LR dot and from skleton dot metric import math dot sqrt. Okay, we see the square root, mean square root. So yeah, that's that. And now we'll see how good it is at predicting. So this is our this is a row data, and now I'll predict this using our model. So LR dot predict data underscore new. This is saying it will need around 10,508, and we'll check what's the data in the real table. So y underscore train and it is around 10,355, and we got prediction of 10,500. So you can see the model is predicting pretty well, and yeah, that's that. So thanks for watching the video, and will be really helpful if you could subscribe and share the video if you like. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.